Hey guys, you got Rick here again. This week we're actually going to talk about Bitcoin and how to actually invest into the cryptocurrency market. If you're interested in getting started and you don't know where all the hype is about, feel free to watch this video and I will go ahead and teach you how. Thank you. I broke this video down into 3 parts. One is choosing a service to buy into Bitcoin. This is going to be an application or website that you use. 2 is actually funding your portfolio, and I have a method to do that in which I always recommend. 3 is actually research and buying your coin of choice. I believe in the blockchain technology, so I will never stop buying into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Feel free to watch the rest of this video. I'll get more into detail on each coin and what I actually recommend buying. If you have any questions, feel free to stay tuned. Thank you. One is you want to make sure you choose a service that you believe in. Now, I've already recommended RobinHood before. RobinHood is a free stock trading app, and recently they announced that they are now allowing you to buy cryptocurrency through the platform, which means you can actually use your same account on Robinhood to buy stocks or even buy Bitcoin or other type of coins through the platform directly. Now there's pros and cons to this. Pros, it's very easy to do so, especially if you're already using this for your stock trading. But cons, you're not able to actually send the coin itself to an external piece of hardware or another service in order for you to buy altcoins. If you were to use another service such as Coinbase, this actually allows you to gain access to your coins directly, meaning you can actually send your coins to an external hardware wallet like this one I have around my neck, which will allow you to actually take your coins with you. And it really gives you value of the whole decentralized currency that Bitcoin and other coins offer. So that's what I'd recommend. I would recommend using Coinbase. Coinbase is another free service that allows you to buy Bitcoin directly from the network and store it on your Coinbase wallet. Once it's on your wallet, you're actually able to send this coin to any other source that you would want it to be stored. You can send it to an external wallet, or you can even send it to other services that allow you to trade this coin for altcoins. I won't get into altcoins in this video, but if you're interested, feel free to leave a comment and I will make sure to make a follow-up video. And if you're interested in getting started, I actually have a link in the description that if you sign up through my link, you'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. This is what I would recommend doing. Have your wallet set up, have $10 worth of Bitcoin set in there, and pretty much see how the platform works. See what happens within the next few weeks. See if your $10 goes up or goes down. This will show you exactly how volatile the market is and whether or not it's worth you pursuing and moving forward in investing. But that's what I would recommend. Use Coinbase and please use my link in the description to get started. Thank you. Step 2 in the process is actually going to fund your account. Now this is a method that I always recommend. Set up auto withdrawal, meaning use Robinhood or Coinbase to set up an auto withdrawal every time you get paid. Literally, I would recommend having $50 a month to get started. I personally have Coinbase set up to auto withdraw $50 from my account and auto buy $50 worth of Bitcoin every single pay period. What that allows me to do, it allows me to buy Bitcoin on a downward trajectory and allows me to get the best price possible for when Bitcoin eventually goes up. And it will go up, believe me. Treat it as a secondary savings account. You don't have to look at it every single day, but it's something that will give you the experience of getting into the cryptocurrency market. Which leads me into point 3. Do your own research and buy the coin that you like. Now, there's tons of articles online that teach you about the different types of coins and their different functionalities. However, for the sake of this video, I will only recommend buying 2 coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is the gold standard in cryptocurrency, which is why I believe it's an investment that you cannot go wrong with. Yes, if you buy it at an all-time high, you might see it go down eventually if the market decides to turn against you. However, at the time of this video, Bitcoin has dropped 80% from its all-time high, meaning if you were to think about it as a sale, it's actually at a pretty good price right now. However, I actually believe it's going to keep falling to about $3,000, which means you won't be able to time the market, which ties back into point 2 of setting up that auto withdrawal and just buy it on its way down. This is what I would recommend. Secondly, I would actually recommend buying Ethereum. Now, Ethereum isn't a currency per se. Think of it as its own platform. What Ethereum is mainly for, it allows applications to be run on the Ethereum network. And in a similar way on how currency is decentralized, these applications are decentralized. Meaning, normally, a cloud hosting service may host your application on a single server. However, using the Ethereum network, this application is propagated across thousands of nodes across the world, meaning that this application can never go down. I believe that this technology is pretty revolutionary, which is why I personally invest in Ethereum. I don't personally believe that we've seen the potential of the platform just yet. So that's what I would recommend. Bitcoin and Ethereum, invest in those two, and I promise you will not regret it. Thank you. Now finally, in conclusion, I want to bring up two different points. One, invest only what you can lose. Of course, if you follow my method of investing $50 a month, I believe that this is a pretty safe way to get started. However, there's going to be some individuals that watch this video that's going to automatically invest a couple $100s right off the bat. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this, especially if you're only getting started in the market and you just want to start getting experience. So with that being said, only invest what you can afford to lose. Do not invest your life savings, and don't invest any sort of savings accounts that you need for in case of a rainy day. Thank you. Secondly, the cryptocurrency market is very, very volatile. It isn't like my stock market video where you can expect an 8 to 10% return every year. Now, with cryptocurrency, I see it as more as gambling. You may definitely see a 1000x increase on some money you invest, but you might also see a 1000x decrease. There's stories online of people losing fortunes when it comes to investing in the wrong cryptocurrency, which is why I recommend only invest what you can lose and only invest into coins that you've independently done research on. Now, if you're interested in the core technology, I definitely have some resources in the description that go into what Bitcoin is, what Ethereum is, and what is the blockchain technology behind the two. So if you're interested, feel free to take a look in the description and comment with any additional questions you may have. Thank you. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like this video if you like this type of content. Feel free to subscribe if you want to keep up to date. And also, feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the username @RickTheMovie. I'm actually very active on both, so if you have any questions, feel free to message me directly. Of course, you can also comment directly below and I'll answer any questions you may have there as well. As always, we'll talk soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.